Well, hello there, I am Clement Senegas, and I'm doing another installment on my series on Microsoft Sucks. And today, I'm going to be showing you that Windows likes to put up error messages even though there is nothing wrong. And now what you can see here is my workstation where I have my computer. Sorry about the state of it, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now I do a lot of video editing on this computer, and there's two programs I use: ULEAD Video Studio 10, as you can see there, and Adobe Premiere. Now I'm going to load up Premiere, which is what I use for my YouTube videos, because it's got some very advanced editing features. It's loading up now. This takes a few seconds. Now, an error's come up, as you can see. It's only just recently started doing this, although it still seems to work. Now, if we just go to that and move it out of the way, I can still use this just like normal. So anyway, I'm going to put some files in. You can see the error is still there. I'm just going to give you a close-up of this. I don't know what this means, so if this means anything to anybody, if you could tell me what it means, I would like to know. Anyway, we'll just move that out of the way. Right, so I've now selected some files, and I'll put them in, and it appears there just like normal, and I can put these onto the timeline and do the editing, and I just put my trademark intro on here. There you go. I'll turn the amplifier on. So this all plays. As you can see, with no problems, it's all working.
Hello, I am a PC with Microsoft Sam's voice.
So we'll just stop that now. And I'll export that into a thing to prove to you that this is actually working. So export timeline movie. Right, so it's a little later on now, and as you can see, it's created the file and it's playing with absolutely no problems whatsoever. I've dragged the error back onto the... As you can see, I've dragged the error back onto the screen. Now when I press OK, that closes the program, but if I ignore the error, I can still work with it. Now I have a similar problem in ULEAD Video Studio. So we'll just load that up right now. There it goes, and it's loading. And at a first glance, you think it's going to be alright. It's loading itself up. And then this happens. Another error appears. Now I've got to make this quick because I've only got 3 minutes of tape left, so I've got to hurry. So if I ignore the error, and just do everything I usually do with this. I've got this connected to my Sky Plus over there. Don't know what the hell this is, but I can record, and there it goes. Just put the sound on.
There seems to be a lot of confusion about what happened. First of all, Jin Wei and Wei Jin weren't enemies.
As you can see, that is actually working.
And there were 8. Importantly, they were just playing a
Stop that
game.
recording now.
The sacred orb from the legend, that was the ball. And the
I'm going to edit. You can see there that it has captured the video and it will play. As you can see.
There seems to be a lot of confusion about what happened. First of all, Jin Wei and Wei Jin weren't enemies.
And I can edit this and do all the stuff I usually do, even make it play backwards.
Yeah, right now. That isn't it. Serve that right. See you next.
But why is it putting up this error? That's what I want to know. I'll just go to this and show you this. I don't know what the hell this actually means. If anybody knows what's actually going on here, yeah, please tell me. There's technical information. There's a whole lot of stuff there. I don't have time to show that. So anyway, if I go into one of these, it closes the program, but if I ignore the error, I can still use it perfectly fine. So what's going on? Why am I getting all these stupid errors when clearly nothing's wrong?
What's gone wrong here? It always used to work perfectly. It only just recently started doing this. When is Microsoft going to make an operating system that actually works? Clement would like to know how to fix the problem. He's worried that it might get so bad his programs may stop working altogether. We're gonna get you for this, Bill Gates. This has your name on it. Even I suck. I can't talk right. Remember everyone, Microsoft sucks. Crow's Nest.